In this video, I want to show you how to set up your Logitech M720 with your PC computer. There's actually two different ways on how this can be done. If you go on the back of the mouse and you remove this cover, you're going to notice that it comes included with one of these USB dongle. You can use this to connect the mouse to your PC. Simply connect it in one of the USB ports. And most PC these days don't even have a USB type A port. They usually have USB type C, so you may need one of these adapter, okay? And the mouse will work right away. But most people will prefer pairing this mouse using Bluetooth with their PC, so they don't have to rely on one of these dongles. So step number one is, well, make sure you have a battery inserted. Turn the mouse on. Over here, what you need to do, let me turn on my PC. The mouse is able to pair with multiple devices. The button to select between each of these devices, device 1, 2, and 3, is this one, right over here. By pressing it, I don't know if you noticed, there is a light that goes just like that. If I want to put the PC under number 1, I'll make sure the light is on the number 1, and then I will keep the button pressed until the light flashes quickly. Oops, let me go back here. I'm on the number 1, and I keep the button pressed until the light blinks quickly. Here we go. Now I can release the button. When the light blinks quickly, it means the mouse is in setup mode. On the PC computer, you're going to go over here on the lower right side, and if you see the Bluetooth icon, click on it. If you don't see it, simply press the arrow and then you should see it. So I'll click on it and then select Add Bluetooth Device. Next, we simply have to pair the mouse by clicking Add Device and selecting the first option, which is Bluetooth. You should see your M720 mouse. Simply click on it and it will start connecting. You don't need to download any drivers at this point, as you see. The connection should be, here we go, under 20 seconds. It's now connected. And if I take the mouse, as you see, everything is working. Now there's a few different settings you can change directly on the PC without downloading any software. And to get to those settings, go into the search bar down below and type mouse. One of the options should be mouse settings, and here we go. You'll be able to edit the mouse pointer speed, the scroll speed, and other stuff. Now, if you want to customize this mouse, because as you see, they have customizable buttons, you absolutely need to download the Logitech software. So let me show you how this is done. Go on Google, and no matter if you're on a Mac or on a PC, it works the same exact way. Just follow these steps. You're gonna type over here Logi Option Plus. This is the software we need to get, and one of the first websites to be presented to you will be from the official Logitech website. Click on it and then select over here download, and usually it recognizes which computer you have. This is a Mac, so this is why it says Mac OS 13, but if you're on Windows, it will simply say Windows whatever. So click there and download. Then open the file you just downloaded. Once you see this display, simply click Install Option Plus. Then we need the app to access Bluetooth, so I'll press OK. Open Accessibility. And now simply allow by checking this small toggle over here and enter your password of your computer. If you're on a PC, you may not have to do this step. And then you should see over here, accessibility permission successfully granted. Here you can select no thanks if you don't want to share your personal information, personal usage data with Logitech so they improve their product, or you can accept, it's up to you. And here you can click on skip on the top right corner, and you should see your mouse right over there. You see exactly the same model. You have to click on it, click skip, And here are all the buttons that you can customize on it. There's many of them. If you want to customize one, well, it's as simple as it is. Okay, simply click on the one you want to change. Let's say this one. And on the right side, you can go through many different actions and many different things this button can do. So select another option. Now, the good thing about this software is that you can customize your mouse so that it acts differently depending on which app you're using. For example, if you go on the top right corner and you click on Add Application, you can choose a specific application where the mouse will behave differently on it. So, for example, let me get over here Google Chrome, all right? I'll select Google Chrome, press Confirm, Continue. And now, if you take a look over here, Google Chrome is highlighted. So whatever I change now, whatever customizable button I change will only be available in Google Chrome. So let's say this button, I click on it, I can say that, I don't know, I want to open ChatGPT. Well, I'll click here, yes, enable. So this button only in Google Chrome will open ChatGPT. If I click these 4 dots, these are global settings, which means that these will work in all applications. But when I'm in Chrome, well, the buttons will change. And you can add many different apps and customize this the way you want. If you click the left side arrow over here, you also have more settings that you can change. Okay, and just so you know, in case you're having issues with your mouse and you want to factory reset it, well, you need to go into the settings, go down and select restore to default settings, and this will restore everything, and it will also delete all your customized buttons if you want to start fresh again. So this is about it. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.